Hey there lovely people, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna, and today I'm very excited to bring you an exciting enhancement to your financial journey. Get ready to elevate your bookkeeping to a whole new level as we delve into the extraordinary world of our Enhanced Bookkeeping Template. But what sets Enhanced Bookkeeping apart from our Easy Bookkeeping Template? It's the inclusion of 40 categories for both income and expenses. You'll also benefit from the basic client tracking feature along with expense type categorization. It's the inclusion of 40 categories for both income and expenses. You'll also benefit from the basic client tracking feature along with the expense type categorization, where you can assign expense types to each category, differentiating between operating costs and direct costs. And of course, there is a custom tab, a revolutionary addition that allows you to choose any period you desire for analysis. So, are you excited yet? I know I am. Let's roll up our sleeves and dive right into the incredible features of the Enhanced Bookkeeping Template. First things first. Let's ensure your finances speak your language. From the drop-down menu, select the currency you want to see on the template. Next, choose the starting month and year that aligns with your fiscal timeline. You have the freedom to begin your year with January, regardless of the current month, or start from the current month and build your financial empire from there. Now, let's set your payment methods. In this section, you can effortlessly configure up to 12 payment methods. Moving on, it's time to set your categories. Take a moment to enter your income and expense categories. After that, let's move to the Set Your Monthly Profit Goals section, where you can enter your desired goal amount for each month. And there you have it. Your setup process is complete. Let's start making entries on the income and expense entry tabs. We begin with the optional ID column. Use this space to enter any relevant transaction ID for enhanced organization. Next, input the transaction date in the date column. For Google Sheets users, simply choose the date from a user-friendly calendar with a double click. Choose from the categories you've thoughtfully set up on the setup page to ensure accurate classification. Optionally, you can capture transaction details in the description column. The total amount and tax columns come next. Total amount covers the transaction value, including taxes. The template handles calculations seamlessly. Simplify things with the most common tax rate section. Set a default tax rate that automates if the tax rate column is empty. You're in control. Adjust tax rates for individual transactions as needed. The net and tax amount columns are calculated automatically based on the total amount and tax rate you've entered. In the Paid With column, select the payment method used for the transaction. But wait, there's something special in the Income Entry tab of Enhanced Bookkeeping. Capture client details, first name, last name, address, phone number, and email for each income entry. Additionally, there's the Highlight Clients feature, allowing you to search through first name, last name, or both for more accurate results. And now, let's unlock the insights and reports that await you in the Balance tab. The Balance tab is where the income total and expense total columns display the sum of all income and expense transactions associated with each payment method. It automatically calculates the balance for each payment method by subtracting the total expenses from the total income. Alright, let's move into the main tabs now. The Monthly tab provides a detailed breakdown of your finances month by month. To access information for a specific month, simply select the desired month from the drop-down menu. Please note that the months available in the drop-down are based on the 12-month starting point you set on the setup page. If you need to view months outside this range, you can modify the starting point on the setup page and then choose the desired month. Next, choose the amount type you want to view: tax amount, net amount, or total amount. This selection will determine the values displayed in the selections below. The two sections below will automatically display the information you've selected. With the monthly tab complete, let's move to the annual tab. The annual tab features two main boards showcasing a breakdown of your income and expenses for each of the 12 months. You can customize the displayed amounts using the drop-down menus, choosing between total, net, or tax options. On the right side of the boards, you'll find the annual total for each category over the 12-month period. But that's not all. Further below, we have the cash flow month by month section displaying essential financial data for each month of the year. There's also a smaller board showing the year-to-date profit and the year's goal progress. Lastly, there's a section where you can submit your sales tax amounts. Enter the sales tax you collect and the sales tax you paid for each month. The template will automatically calculate the difference, simplifying the tax tracking process. And with the annual tab, we're officially done with the basics. Are you ready for the next tab and the final frontier of financial freedom? Welcome to the Custom tab. Here, you can set a from and to date and watch as the income and expenses boards transform into insights for your chosen period. It's like having a time machine for your finances. But that's not all. On the expenses board, you can choose between direct cost and operating cost, for each category separately, providing accuracy for your summary boards. You can also view your net revenue, net income loss, gross revenue, total net expenses, total gross expenses, direct costs, and operating costs through the summary bars. And there you have it, the Custom tab, a personalized financial compass. Of course, if you have any questions or need guidance, don't hesitate to reach out using the contact information below or directly through Edge. Thank you for joining me today and exploring the incredible features of our Enhanced Bookkeeping Template. I hope this video has given you the clarity and confidence to take control of your finances effortlessly. Remember, knowledge is power, and with our template, you've just unlocked a world of financial possibilities. Stay organized, stay informed, and most importantly, stay awesome. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. Until next time, have a fantastic day.